Chain of Lakes life can be enjoyed with or without a boat. It's the beach bar at Turtle Beach Marina. Out here right on Channel Lake, the northern part of the Chain of Lakes. A big expansive beach, play area, fun for adults, fun for kids. Just a great place to hang out on the chain. The kids can play in the sand, there's play sets, you can go in the water. Very few places where you can feel safe swimming in the water out here. Any type of drink you want. You don't need to be a boat owner to enjoy Chain of Lakes life. Come on out to the beach bar right at Turtle Beach Marina on Channel Lake and enjoy the sand, the fun, the water. Have some cocktails while you're here. Bring the whole family. The kids are gonna love playing in the sand and swimming in the water. If you see me out here, tell me you saw this video. Your next cocktail's on me. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Come on out to Turtle Beach Marina and enjoy the sand and fun on the beach bar.